Hello, Mr. Clark, explaining food. Today I'll be explaining quiz 9, question 1. The first thing I did was import the lowercase alphabet. Then I have my function encode L. Then for my parameter I have the word input. And then if the letter is in the lowercase alphabet, it will find the value of the letter, and then it will be subtracted from 25, and then it will return it. If I click run, you can see how it actually works. Z has the value of 25, and A has a value of 0. So by smaller. And then same thing for here. Y has a value of 24 and has a value of 1. So by getting 25, which is Z, we subtract it by the value you want, or the letter, which is Y, and you get this one. So by switching it, Y is B, because 25 minus 24 is 1, and 1 is assigned to B.